The rest of the thing is that we again need to give the lighting for the staircase as well as the lift. So for this, I'll copy this lighting over here. One is the normal, another is the emergency. Again, there will be at the mid landing, one is the normal, another is the emergency. In the lift, one normal lighting, one emergency, same at the next lift, one is normal, one is emergency lighting, like this. Here it is also. Into this staircase, one is the normal and one is the emergency lighting, like this. At the mid landing area. So this is also comes into the loop. Emergency lighting loop will become like this. Whereas the looping for this main and emergency lighting in the lift is coming directly from the lift room, so we cannot connect this lighting over here. So this is the connection only for the staircase lighting. Again, here we need to put the staircase lighting like this. Emergency lighting from here. The main lighting like this from here to this, and from here to here, from here to here, and again from here to here. Firstly, try to maintain the nearest connection like this. So this is the nearest connection for the electrical lighting. So we have covered the typical flat, passage and the staircase looping for the electrical lighting, and this is the legend. This is how to design the electrical lighting layout for the typical floor for the residential area.